In order to add calendar in Excel sheet, first we will need to add developer tab. Let's go ahead and add developer tab by clicking on Excel button on the top left corner of your screen. I'll go ahead and click on preferences now, and then in this window I'll go ahead and click on ribbon and toolbar. On the right side of the dialog box here, you'll notice that there is an option for a developer, and then I'll go ahead and check mark this and I'll click save. Let me go ahead and close this window. Now the developer option is available for us. I'll go ahead and click on developer and then click on add-ins here. I'll go ahead and click on Office Store, and then in this search bar here I'll type in calendar and then click on search here. The first option here is mini calendar and date picker, which I will add, and then click on continue. Now this calendar is available in our worksheet. Here for this table I'll go ahead and choose the required dates. For registration open, I will choose October 7. Registration end, I will go ahead and choose January 10th. First day of class, Jan 13. Midpoint will be March 7th, and last day of class here will be May 9th. This is how we can add calendar and then select the required dates. To delete this calendar, we can simply click on the calendar and then hit delete. Now the calendar is deleted and our table is filled with required dates as well. I hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you all so very much. Bye bye.